अस्सलाम वालेकुम एवरीवन, वेलकम इन माय यूट्यूब चैनल। आई एम नूरन अंसारी और आज हम समझने जा रहे हैं ए से द इम्पोर्टेंस ऑफ ट्रीज। तो ये वीडियो स्टार्ट करने से पहले वीडियो आपको अच्छी लगे तो लाइक करना मत भूलिएगा प्लीज़, और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना भी मत भूलिएगा। तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं आज का हमारा ऐसे इंट्रोडक्शन। Trees are magnificent creations of nature that play a vital role in our lives. They provide numerous benefits to the environment, animals, and humans alike, from purifying the air we breathe to offering shade on hot summer days. Trees are an essential part of our ecosystem. In this essay, we will explore the significance of trees and their impact on our planet body. Environmental benefits. Trees are often referred to as the lungs of the earth due to their ability to absorb carbon dioxide and release oxygen through the process of photosynthesis. They help combat the greenhouse effect and mitigate climate change by reducing the concentration of harmful gases in the atmosphere. Furthermore, trees act as natural filters, trapping dust, pollutants, and harmful chemicals, thus improving air quality. Their extensive root systems are also help prevent soil erosion and maintain the fertility of the land. Biodiversity support. Trees provide a habitat for a wide variety of plant and animal species. Forests, in particular, are home to countless organisms, serving as an ecosystem that supports biodiversity. Birds build nests in tree branches, while squirrels and other small animals find shelter in tree hollows. Additionally, trees provide food sources for such as fruits, nuts, and leaves for various creatures, contributing to the overall balance and interconnectedness of nature. Human benefits. Trees offer several direct benefits to human beings. Firstly, they provide shade, reducing the impact of the scorching sun and creating a pleasant and cool environment. This shade is particularly important in urban areas where the presence of tree can alleviate the heat Iceland effect caused by excessive concrete and asphalt. Secondly, trees help conserve energy by reducing the need for air conditioning during hot summers and acting as windbreaks during cold winters. Moreover, trees enhance the aesthetic appeal of our surroundings, making our neighborhoods and parks beautiful and inviting. Economic importance. Trees also have significant economic value. Forests are a source of timber, providing raw materials for various industries such as construction, furniture, and paper production. Additionally, the tourism industry benefits from the presence of lush forest and picturesque landscape, attracting visitors and generating revenue. Agroforestry practices, which combine trees with agricultural crops, offer sustainable livelihood opportunities for farmers and promote soil conservation. Conclusion. In conclusion, trees are a vital part of our ecosystem and contribute in countless ways to our well-being. They purify the air we breathe, support biodiversity, provide us with shade and aesthetic beauty, and economic significance. It is crucial that we recognize the importance of trees and take active measures to protect and preserve them. By planting more trees and adopting sustainable practices, we can ensure a greener and healthier planet for future generations. Let us embrace the wisdom of nature and cherish the